everyone, it's Lori with Farmhouse Stencil Shop. I have a package that I'm going to open and then I'm going to make a craft with it. So I got this package in the mail from Forest Acre Primitives, and there is something inside that I thought that I could use this evening to make a little craft with. Lots of little heart cutouts and stars. The stars is what I was going to use this evening. And then I also got little cardinal kits. So I'm excited to make some kind of little winter crafts with the cardinals, but I don't want to get on winter crafts right now, if you know what I mean. I don't even really want to start fall crafts. So this one is kind of going to be more of a primitive style. These are so nice. And I'm going to use one of these stars for that. If I can figure out how to open it up here. I'm going to use one of these medium size stars, and I have this little odd board that I've had for a while. It has the beveled edges on it, and I thought that this would be a cute little prim craft. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with some black paint, and I'm just using the Americana paint. And I'm going to paint the background. Okay, so once I have my board painted, I'm just going to set this to the side. And I'm going to take the little star, and I'm going to use this Crimson, Red, and Waverly chalk paint. So I'm just going to paint the star. Dry these really quick. And I'm going to dry the star. Okay. So the star is really bright, but I'm going to definitely do something to it to tone it down just a bit because it's too bright for what I had planned. So anyways, I am taking my little gator sander and I'm going to distress my board a little bit. They sell these type of boards. I've seen them at Dollar Tree. I don't think this one came from there, but I did notice that they have little beveled boards at Dollar Tree. Just giving my edges a good sanding. One second. Okay, let me just dust that off. So I have a nice little distressed board. My board is actually about 7.5 by 4.5, and the little star is approximately 4 inches tall. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sand my little star a little bit too. I want to just go around each edge of the star. Okay. Dust that off. And so I have a nice little sanded star. I think I'm going to actually take a little bit of paint. I'll just use white paint. So what I'm going to do with the paint is I'm just going to take like a stiff brush and I'm going to dab it in my white paint and I'm going to kind of flick it onto the star. See the little effect that it has. Is it a little primmy kind of effect? Okay, so I'm going to now set that aside. And then I'm going to take a little tag. I used a tag like this on my little pumpkin craft that I did, and it worked out so well. I'm going to use one again. And also I am still offering my little stencil set of fall words. I'm going to use the word blessed tonight because this is more of a prim craft instead of a fall craft, but I'm going to use it out of this stencil set. And if you want this stencil set, it's 8 small words. They're fall words like harvest, grateful, fall, spice, pumpkin, autumn, thankful, and then of course blessed. So I'm going to use blessed though, and it's going to fit nicely on my little tag. So what I'm going to do is just make my tag kind of messy looking, old. The little tags came from Walmart, just in their craft section. So I'm going to stencil on the word blessed on my little tag. I'm going to use a little bit of black paint, and I'm just going to hold my stencil down and stencil the letters right onto the tag. So quick and easy. Okay. So then I have a little tag that says blessed, and I'm going to paint my bridges. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some Kilt's dark sealing wax. Let's see if you can see what I'm using. And I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to just go over my star a little bit with it, because my star is so bright. Kind of want to tone it down a little bit. So that kind of brought the tone of the star down a little bit, because because it was definitely too bright. I should have used more of a maroon color instead of the crimson. Okay. Oh, one more thing. I'm going to go over my tag as well. I have a little grubby tag. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to put it together. So I think I'm going to actually wrap my star with a little bit of homespun fabric. Such a simple, little, easy, primitive craft. I wonder I'm just winging this, guys. That's kind of cute too. So I think I am just going to end it with that. I'm going to glue my star down. And I think I'm going to just glue the tag below it. Oops. And there you have it, just a simple little primitive craft. Let me know what you think.